In this video, I want to quickly show you how fast it is to work with MySerializer. First of all, I take my InDesign layout and prepare it. This is really easy. There's no need to set any data linking, hooks, database, imports or whatever. Just place some double text and you're good to go. In this letter, I want to replace these fields with my Excel data. Company, name, street, city, zip code, and a name down here in the copy text. As you can see, I have the name twice here. All you need to do is to embed these placeholders into these double tags. Save your document, drag and drop it into MySerializer together with your Excel data. And MySerializer will import everything into its interface. On the left side, you get the Adobe InDesign part. You got your placeholders here: name, company, street, city, and zip code. As you can see, we only have the name once here, because MySerializer will replace every instance of name with the same data. On this side, we have the Excel part, where we can define the content that will replace our InDesign placeholders. Let's start with the name. I just double-click in it to open the wildcard editor. The wildcard editor allows me to replace the placeholder name with any column in the Excel document. In this case, I have the name, which is split up into 3 columns in my Excel document: the salutation, the last name, and the first name. So in this case, I just combine them by clicking them. Salutation, first name, last name. Mr. John Weaver for this row. This is just a preview. Save it and close it. I will replace my company with the first column as it contains the company names. I just double click it, save it and close it. The street is almost the same thing. City and zip code is again split up into 2 different columns. I got a city here and a zip code over here, separated by a comma. MySerializer allows me to combine even columns with any text I like. In this field up here, I just defined the range of data rows of my Excel document to generate documents from. In this example, I choose Start Row 2 and End Row 4, which generates 3 documents. One with the data of row 2, one with the data of row 3, and the last one with the data of row 4. In the full version of MySerializer, we have different export options over here. InDesign only, which generates 1 InDesign document with every data in it. Single PDFs, which generates single PDFs for each data set. And single PDFs to mail, which attaches the generated PDFs to generated mails. Let's stick with InDesign only for this example. And here is my InDesign document. I got the first page with the data of row 1, and you see the name here is the same as the name down here. Document with data of row 2 and a document with the data of row 3. There are a lot more options than I have shown in this example. For example, if a single cell in your Excel document is empty, you can define alternative values. For more information, check out www.myserializer.com.